What if I told you the world's richest man sold off every mansion he owned to live in a 400-square-foot box? Elon Musk, yes, the Tesla and SpaceX guy, made a move no billionaire in history has dared to do. And it's not just about living small. It could be the first step toward changing how homes are built, on Earth and maybe on Mars. Is this a publicity stunt or a secret master plan? Let's find out. Today on Roadzone Reviews, we're diving into one of the most fascinating trends in housing: tiny homes, also known as casitas. They're gaining major traction thanks to their practical benefits. And you might be surprised to learn that even one of the world's richest billionaires, Elon Musk, once lived in a tiny house, something most people wouldn't expect after all. With a net worth nearing $300 billion at the time, Musk could have lived in a luxury estate or a futuristic castle, but instead, he chose to downsize in a big way, describing the experience as unique and valuable. At one point, he even hinted at launching a Tesla-branded tiny home priced under $10,000. Recently, rumors have swirled that Musk is working with a company called Boxabl on a tiny home concept, a compact 120-square-foot Tesla house that could be the next step in his vision beyond electric vehicles. Some sources even claim it might retail for just over $7,000. So, is the $7,000 Tesla house real, or are we being misled? Let's break it down. Why did Elon Musk live in a tiny house? There's been a lot of hype around Elon Musk's so-called Tesla house, but much of it exaggerates the reality. Based on statements from Musk himself and Boxabl, the home's manufacturer, the facts are simpler. His home was under 400 square feet and set up at Starbase, Texas. It wasn't a flashy project, just a functional, compact home built by Boxabl. What's crazy is that the entire setup only took about an hour. At the time Musk got his unit, it was one of the first 3 Boxabl had ever produced. Since then, the company's received nearly 200,000 pre-orders, a potential $2 billion in revenue. That's the Musk effect. Without him, Boxabl likely wouldn't have gained so much traction. The casita Musk lived in came pre-assembled with wall panels, ceilings, and structural components all built in the factory. Unlike early assumptions, Musk confirmed on a podcast that it wasn't just a regular prefab house. It cost him $45,000 and was built with high-performance materials, including steel, concrete, insulating foam, and composite panels compressed under 250,000 pounds of pressure. Boxabl avoids using drywall, which they say doesn't hold up to long-distance transport. This unique construction makes the casita extremely resilient, able to handle harsh weather, from hurricanes and floods to snow. If it's strong enough for Musk to use at a launch site like Starbase, it's clearly built to high standards. Rumors are flying has Elon Musk partnered with Boxabl to create a Tesla tiny house for just $7,000. If true, this could flip the entire housing market on its head. But here's the twist: almost no one knows what's actually inside the home Musk lived in, or what he's really planning next. Is it affordable housing? Is it a Mars prototype, or is this all just internet hype? We're digging deep to uncover the truth: mobility and customization. One of the casita's biggest strengths is its mobility. You can literally move it wherever you want. Transport costs vary from $2 to $10 per mile, and Boxabl is even open to international shipping if you're willing to cover the costs. When folded for transport, the casita measures 19 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and 12.5 feet high, well within standard road limits, weighing up to 13,000 pounds. It can be unfolded and fully set up in just about an hour. It's the perfect solution for anyone needing a durable, portable home that can be quickly deployed nearly anywhere. Despite its modest footprint, just under 400 square feet, the casita features a ceiling height of 9 feet 6, creating a spacious vibe. And surprisingly, it fits for separate rooms, thanks to a smart space-optimized layout. The floor plan is customizable, and if you need more space, multiple casitas can be connected or stacked into multi-story units, turning a tiny home into a modular building. Why Musk chose the casita? Musk initially purchased the casita to host guests visiting Tesla and SpaceX. When VIPs or government officials toured Tesla's facilities, they'd often end their visit in the casita for deeper conversations. Musk also reportedly used it as a personal workspace. And the inside, it's impressive. Inside Elon Musk's tiny house step into the living room, and you'd never guess the house is under 400 square feet. The lounge has composite wood flooring, minimalist furniture, and full-height glass doors that flood the space with natural light. There's a sleek sofa that converts into a bed, a coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV, perfect for guests or casual meetings. Given that Musk used this as both a living space and work zone, the room is designed for function and flow. Behind the lounge sits the bedroom, separated by a partition that doubles as storage. Musk has mentioned that the casita technically has 3 bedrooms. It started with 2, but he converted the garage into a third. The main bed folds into the wall, creating flexible space for other uses. Now onto the kitchen. It's fully equipped with a sink, fridge, dishwasher, oven, and clever cabinetry. There's also a dining table that doubles as a countertop, complete with stools. Ventilation is built in, making cooking totally manageable. Next to the kitchen is a surprisingly complete bathroom. It has a walk-in shower, toilet sink, and mirror. The sliding door saves space and the entire design feels intentional, maximizing comfort in a tight footprint. The Casita also comes with LED lighting and energy-efficient appliances. On the roof, there's a 2-kilowatt solar system, supported by Tesla Powerwall units that store energy day and night. The 100 MP electrical panel and 16 outlets are impressive for such a small footprint. Its smaller HVAC system adds to its efficiency, keeping the entire unit comfortable and sustainable. Asterisk, minimalism, cost, and purpose. Asterisk, Musk's move into this tiny home marked a dramatic lifestyle shift. He sold off nearly all his mansions around May 2020, moving into this compact space near his work. It's a bold move, especially given that many people still struggle with rising rents, with average monthly rates ranging from $1,800 to over $2,400 in major cities. Musk living in a $45,000 home is more than symbolic. It's a statement about minimalism and practicality. So, what's the bigger picture? Musk may have also backed Boxabl as a company aligned with his sustainability goals. While Tesla revolutionizes clean transport, Boxabl aims to reinvent affordable, eco-conscious housing. There's also speculation that Musk is using the Casita to test designs for future Mars habitats, homes that could be rapidly assembled by Tesla's Optimus robots using minimal energy and materials. Asterisk, challenges and concerns. Asterisk, as promising as the Casita sounds, there are some real challenges. Boxabl's production has been slower than expected. In its first operational year, the company could only build around 400 homes, about 2 per day. This pace makes fulfilling massive backlogs difficult. As of 2023, around $1 million in refunds were requested out of roughly 8,000 pre-orders. Also, the $45,000 to $60,000 price tag might seem affordable compared to traditional homes, but it's still out of reach for many, especially when land and permits are not included. If Boxabl wants to scale and serve more people, cutting production costs or offering flexible pricing plans will be crucial. Still, the company remains optimistic. They believe that their unique building process, which allows homes to fold like a suitcase, gives them a competitive edge. Asterisk, Tesla tiny house, rumor or reality? Asterisk, the rumors about Elon Musk launching a $7,000 Tesla-branded tiny house remain just that. Rumors. The idea has sparked massive interest, but Musk hasn't confirmed or denied it. And let's be real, a $7,000 price tag seems far-fetched given the current $45,000 plus cost of a Boxabl Casita. However, if it ever becomes a reality, it could be a game changer for affordable housing and would align perfectly with Musk's minimalist and sustainable vision. Asterisk, imagine a fully equipped home that folds up like a suitcase, ships across the country, and sets up in under an hour. Now imagine Elon Musk living in it, not for show, but as part of something much bigger. Could this tiny home be the beginning of a Tesla housing revolution? Or even a step toward colonizing Mars? This isn't sci-fi, it's happening, and the story behind it will blow your mind. Asterisk, asterisk, finally so. Would you consider buying a Tesla tiny house if it were available for just $7,000? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a story. Thanks for watching Road Zone Reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.